Namaste, I'm Shivali, this is Jinal, and today we'll learn about the Chakrasana. Please lie down on your back. Lying down from the side of the body. Extending your legs in front of you, hands beside the body. Bending your feet, bend, fold at the knees. Bring your heels as close towards the hips as possible. Feet are parallel to each other, knees are parallel to each other. Now take your arms up, bending at the elbows. Bring your elbows just above the head. Your palms are just below the shoulders. Okay? Don't let the elbows flare out. Elbows are again parallel to each other. From here, pressing the palms, the corner of the palms firmly into the mat. Lift your hips up first and then lift the chest up, placing the top part of the head on the mat. Now stay here for a bit, trying to balance your body, finding your balance. Now pressing the palms even further, raise up from the chest, elongating the arms, elongating the shoulders, creating space in front of your chest and your upper back. Your armpits are stretched and wide. From here, your gaze is just at the center of your palms. Your fingers are pointing towards the feet. They can be slightly at an angle of 45 or 90 depending on your wrist flexibility. You're pressing, grounding into the mat through your feet, pressing the corners of your feet firmly into the floor. Toes are parallel to each other. From here, raise the heels up, trying to elongate the arch of your back. Your tailbone is pointing towards the knees. Maintaining this arch, this U shape of the body, you gently bring the heels back down. Just inhale and exhale here, staying in this posture for at least half a minute or a minute. Your knees are just above the heels. Your knees are not flaring out parallel to each other. Engaging the abdomen, core is engaged, abdomen is taut. Now to come out of the pose, bring the top of the head on the floor, lowering down your hips and adjusting the upper chest, lying down completely on the back again. Now bring your knees closer to the chest, hugging your knees to your body and roll side to side, massaging your lower back. This is how you end the posture. So now Hansa Ma will give us deeper insights about this asana.
Chakrasana is a very intense and powerful asana. It can improve the balance of your mind and really induce self-confidence. So you understand the dynamics of this asana are so wide, and hence this asana should be practiced with utter focus. The movement of lifting body against gravity towards the sky generates a sense of Aishwarya Bhava, that is self-confidence in life. Lift yourself with a thought of rising above all the challenges. It also involves the letting go factor. You cannot go down unless you let go of your lifted body to reach to the starting position. These skills that you acquire during the practice imprint themselves on your mind, and you may observe the same attitude of letting go and confidence in all your activities throughout the day. Keep practicing this asana. You will see huge difference physically and mentally. Namaskar.